favorite. Sudden Burst. They're off. Early lead is taken by Ozamasley and Sudden Burst on the outside. It's Ozamasley by the rail. Sudden Burst on the outside and Tiago on the farther outside by the rail. Diamond are forever. And rounding the fourth turn, it's Ozamasley by the rail. Sudden Burst moving up on the outside. It is now Sudden Burst in the lead, followed by Ozamasley and Tiago. Sugar Daddy on the outside. And by the rail is Diamond are forever. And into the home stretch, it's still Sudden half lengths. It's Sudden Burst followed by Ozamasley by the rail. It is still Sudden Burst and Ozamasley moving up once again by the rail. And in between horses is Tiago. It's Tiago in between horses, Ozamasley, and Sudden Burst moving up on the outside. It's Tiago by the rail. It is still Tiago, and finally at the payoff line, it's going to be Tiago.
Tiago! Yan, ang unang tumuwid at